Most applications talk to their storage directly. Simple, until the day you need to move that data somewhere new. This is OneBucket. It drops into the live data path, right between your application and your storage. It connects to your existing storage, then to your application, so every request now flows through it. Then the migration begins. New storage comes online, and OneBucket copies your data across live while traffic keeps flowing. When the copy is done, the old storage goes quiet. A direct path to the new storage comes up, OneBucket steps out of the way, and your application never noticed a thing. So that's the idea. Now let's see it live. So here we are. Our viewer scans an S3 endpoint once a second and shows us what's there. Here you can see live data, and we're now going to create a policy that maps one-to-one what you see. I go into our UI, I already have an access key set up, and I have these endpoints, so it's going to be all of S3. The MinIO one is at 201. Let me create the first policy for all the buckets. I'll add a peer bucket. Read, write, delete, and make it active. All of S3. All the buckets. Next, I'll choose the key to enable the policy on, and now I have a policy. Now let's say I'm going to update DNS for S3 to point to the core, to OneBucket. Here we go. It reloads the DNS, and now we'll see the S3 server is not MinIO, but the Attimis core. And again, we see all the same data. Perfect. Now we want to make sure we have both systems in our policy during the transition. So I'm going to edit the policy and add another peer bucket. Read, write, delete, make it active, and turn on opportunistic replication. This means that whatever we see will be replicated. 2 buckets now, perfect. So now I can come here, download it, use it. Nice, because now we're actually doing opportunistic replication across all the buckets. So now we actually have 2 options, since the data should be replicated and working. We could remove it from the policy. So we go here and edit the policy, peer buckets, and we remove the old MinIO one. And we still see exactly the same thing every second, since it's now just pointing to the same data. Even the bucket sizes didn't change. And now the very last step, we get the Attimis core out of the way and point it at 202. That's Dell ECS. Again, it should update, and we'll see the server now shows Dell ECS. Exactly. The application was never aware of any changes. Thank you.